Replace old or broken pocket door locks. When your pocket door privacy lock is broken or old, don't replace the door entirely, just get the Primeline N7239 pocket door privacy lock with pull. Includes Deluxe pocket door privacy lock with pull. This Deluxe pocket door privacy lock and pull has a wide, easy grip design and is for left or right-handed doors. Easy installation. Installation is quick and easy, plus all hardware and instructions are included. The lock set is non-handed, allowing it to be used on both left and right-handed pocket doors. Installation note: this lock adjusts to install on both 1/2 inch to 1/3 inch thick doors and is a mortise installation. Strong and durable. This pocket door lock is constructed from solid brass, so it's durable, strong and sure to last the test of time. Top reviews from the United States. Fit previous hole just right. I did not replace the flat piece so the lock didn't fit, but I didn't care. I do not use the lock feature anyway and did not want to go through any extra step. It installed in about 3 minutes.